take you there. It is tried and tested. So what does discipline, when you incorporate self-discipline into your life, what it leads to? It leads to honesty, self-determination and self-esteem. Absolutely. If I am doing something for myself with discipline, ultimately I will develop self-esteem. It gives you pride and courage. So if you have disciplined yourself to live healthy, you want to lose weight, you want to get fit, after you achieve that, the amount of pride, the amount of courage you will be having will be tremendous. You have to come out of your comfort zones. People are, they are so much engrossed in their comfort zones that they find it very tough to come out of that. For example, coming from office, lying in front of the television, eating those potato chips, watching their favorite serials, that's fine. But I would, again, if you have to accomplish something, you have to come out of your comfort zones. You have to come out of comfort zones. And once you come out of your comfort zones, it forms a discipline, it becomes a discipline in your life. It will only, you are the one who will benefit. So coming out of your comfort zones is what discipline will make you achieve. Then if you have disciplined yourselves, the good parameters of perseverance and patience are also added. You keep on trying, and ultimately that becomes a lifestyle habit. Goal accomplishment. If you have any goal in your life, discipline is the key towards that. And ultimately, if you have achieved something, what you have achieved is happiness. If I have got this feeling that, okay, I have to achieve so much of, I have to lose so much of weight, or I have to, make myself fit, and I want to live, I don't want to develop bad health parameters. If you achieve that, if you live with that, then you achieve happiness. So all these things are, the key towards this is your discipline. How much you discipline yourself, how much self-discipline you have, learning to say no, I won't do this. I'm doing something good for my body, and I will not do this. So discipline is the magic pill which you need to buy that. It is always available, and you just need to incorporate that slowly into your life with happiness. Everything has to be done with happiness. You are doing it for yourself, not for anyone else. How I managed to maintain my weight for 9 years and live with good health parameters, I would again emphasize it is due to honoring my honoring this healthy weight loss equation with some sort of discipline. You can only honor any proper exercise, proper diet, proper rest. You have to have some discipline in that. So I'll just give you an example. As I have I have a 9 to 6 job, I am a software architect. I have disciplined myself to at least exercise 30 to 40 minutes 3 times a week. I do that when I find time, but 3 times a week I do it. Just basic discipline. Number 2, before every meal I eat a combination of fruits. That's the discipline I have tried to follow. It will take, it takes time, but once you discipline yourself, it becomes a habit. So let discipline take you towards good habits, and then you will agree with me. Yes, the magic pill towards good health is discipline. So start taking this magic pill on a daily basis and see what wonders this magic will does to you, and giving it to you free of cost. You just have to take it.